Alright guys, this is my trouser, black shirts. I don't know how I'm going to call this, they're two in one. Anyway guys, my name is Halobeba Official. In case you're new here, subscribe, comment, share, like. The best way you can support your boy, Halobeba Official. So today, I'm just rushing, going for my brother's graduation, actually my uncle's son. And if you remember, I was posting my videos on Instagram, shorts on videos. This trouser, it's because I didn't get enough time to wear. So right now, I want to wear right now, and then you see my outfit for today. So, oh my god. I'm starting with trouser, and then I'll take this shirt out, and you will see guys, as you watch these videos, remember to subscribe, yeah, remember guys to subscribe, so I don't care guys, don't mind, I'm in shorts. Okay, that's my outfit. Nowadays the tumbo is biggie. Then I took the shirt. So my guys, I want to wear the shirt. Hold like this. This black shirt, and black, it's another stuff like that way. Hold like this. Yeah man, like that, so people can see my outfit. Guys. First, before I go that, how do you see this? Comment on the comment section. Hey, new look, new changes. Anyway, that's what I do you. Thank you for my hair. Anyway guys, see this logo, dreams, how to do it's Vogue. Yeah, I'm dreaming for sure. Oh my god, these are brand new. Look how it's meant, brand new, and I had shoes on top. So these are random stuff like that way guys. Hey, so guys, these are my shoes. I'm telling you, today is today, tomorrow's another day. So let me wear the shoes and these socks. Anyway, that's how things go guys. Look, raining is coming like crazy, but anyway, that's my outfit guys. New shoes. Whoa, and I'm rushing, so heading to Border Town, and then from that we see what we're supposed to do. What? I can't believe, man, but sometime one day I just do it like that, I just, hey, I want to see my mama reaction. I don't know whether she was going this way, but guys, look, this is a blessing. Raining is coming like crazy. And that's my outfit. Look at the new shoes. What do you think guys, on the comment section below? So I'm heading to Border Town, and then from Border Town I'm going to school for the graduation. Hey, my African mom. Well, see my mom. Hey. How do you see? New look. That's my mama. Mama, show them. They made them. Mera you. Show them, mama. I got the camera. Guys, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Today It's my brother's graduation. My uncle's son. Actually, I'm rushing there because my uncle invited me. Brother to my dad. Real blood. Hey! Anyway, let's go. We shall meet on the next video, guys. Bye, mom.
Bye.
Hey. Guys, it's raining. And I left my bike on the other side. As you can see, guys, look, it's raining. So I'm on this Shell Hotel. I want to take Bracket Cafe. Kuja. Bracket Cafe, guys. So let's see. So hot here. So let's see, guys. I think I'll sit here. Ooh. As I wait, guys, you know, when it stopped raining, I just rushed to my uncle's son graduation. SQ Pizza. So guys, I'm still waiting Black Cafe. Ooh. Right here. This hot water, and I will do like this. Let me show you guys. Do like that. Things London, and then I go back. And guys, we have sugar here. Oh my god. So guys, I do like this. This some tea, you know. And then there's your boy Hello Baby. I'm trying to taste sugar. Right here. This is my money. But I never recommend, you know, a lot of sugar, guys. So that's how things go. Very hot. So guys, I just, you know, finish taking cafe. It's time to go because time is running, guys. Anyway, guys, it stopped raining outside, and but it seems looking like it's gonna rain again. So it's time to go. You know, I left this cafe here. Oh my god, that's me. It's known as Pizza SQ Cafe, right there. If you came one of these days in my village, I'll take you here, guys. So see you on the next vlog. I bought some presents here for my brother, you know, so we need to cover it. Najua. Maybe it's not good. We have another one right here, you know. Yeah. Hii kinyesho inatoka rangi. Okay, guys. So we are in the supermarket. Hey, here's some local cake here. Anyway, according to the price. Guys, this is another gift here. Okay, already have another one here, and it's raining, so we need to cover it as a secret. Other people will think it's $1 million. Nothing. Only small gift. What can I do? Anyway, guys, welcome. And it's raining. Ooh! Hey, Wagwan! What happened? So it's raining, guys, here, and I'm telling you. So actually, this is where my uncle's son have been learning right now, Prime Star, you know. So anyway, and also there's some business here, sugarcane, banana. Mmejashia sana. Hey, they have been raining here, doing some business. Look, guys, balloon. Anyway, let's go and see. I just left my bike right there. Oh. Bado. Niko poa. Tereyo. Kanera amaru. So let's see, guys. Hey. Ana bara game raba so kiri bono. Say hello. You good, madam?
Ya blue.
Mama unauza balloon? Oh.
Ya blue. Ini yangu.
Siwezi pasua. Ni yako.
Ni yangu.
So guys, let's see. Because man, I'm telling you, I'm freezing. And I left my bike right there. So it's crazy, you know. Let's see. Hey, toy. Unaniga mole amaru. See some tents, guys. Let me cover my hair like this, guys. Oh, like American girl, you know.
Hiyo tutazingatia. Na umesikia ni hiyo shilingi ngapi? 400 tu kwa mwaka. Na kitabu kinabaki cha mwanafunzi, sio cha shule. Mwanafunzi atabaki na hicho kitabu.
Unamwambia yangu chandeko kenara. Ni nguchandeko. Wewe unafikiria.
Shule kifungwa na nyumbani na kitabu chake.
Halo. Motereo sana.
Naomba mzazi mmoja kutoka kwenye timu aje aseme kama mkubaliana.
Wanangu hikani ama sendi ngutuna. Motari ya masendi.
Motari tulisaidi. Tena tena director kwa gamba. Tusiongee zaidi. Naomba mzazi mmoja atoke kule chini na mwingine kwenye hema hili tuje tukubaliane kwamba tumeitikia kwamba utatoa shilingi 500 kwa ajili ya kununua vitabu shilingi 400 na ile hela ya kwa ajili ya chakula kununua mchele. Ina maana kwamba watoto wasio wanakula githeri siku 2 kwa
this lady here.
Tafadhali dogo, tusubiri kidogo tafadhali.
Introduce. Kelele ya nini?
Subiri kidogo.
My name is Alice Africa.
Acha ni muite manager ambaye atatoa utaratibu jinsi kutakavyokuwa. Sana manager.
So happy and we have come here to celebrate with our friends, family.
Mgeni wetu wa heshima wa siku ya leo.
Subscribing to my YouTube channel and I'm going to appreciate
graduates wetu.
Hey, give.
Walimu na wazazi, tumsifu Yesu Kristo. Tumefikia mwisho wa sherehe hii ya leo. Ningeomba tuwe watulivu. Hawa ndio tunawasherekea siku hii ya leo.
Sasa mimi huku niambia.
Hatutaki tukafanya projection hapa kusukumana.
Ndiye aliniambia.
Tutakuwa na utaratibu.
I have comment.
Where?
To your comment section.
Wazawadi kile wakae tuite tena wengine
wa.
Hizi certificate hazijawekwa kulingana na position.
Yeah, I'm also a content
creator.
But mine is not graduating today. I'm just here to support my friend here, Alice. As a peer.
Certificate ukiitoa ya mwisho haimaanishi mtu amekuwa wa mwisho. Nafikiri mmenielewa. Asante. Tuanze na hao watoto watatu. Hata wakifika 10, wazazi hao 10 watasimama wakazawadi hao watoto. Asante. Muziki uwekwe ninavyoita haya.
Dogo tu.
Benson Mwikwabe. Asante. Take care of these certificates are not rained on. Jai.
I'm graduating from ECD. First, we would like to thank our parents for their love and support given to us. Then for making us part of this school. For the past 3 years, we learned many things. All in that, reading, writing, speaking, singing, and manuscript. We thank our teachers as they have helped us grow in many ways. Finally, we are grateful to the entire friends of fraternity, parents and sons for your support. Thank you, Madam Leader, for holding our hands and showing us the way things we get this school. May God bless you, our mother. We love you, big. Thank you.
Guys, I want to give
Asante Madam Susan kwa kuzawadi ya watoto wetu. DJ weka muziki, wazazi wakidansi wakielekea na watoto. Haya wazazi, muziki kwetu. Wakateka wamefurahia. Wazazi tukielekea. Dada si muziki unafaa.
Wagwan man.
Asante DJ. Ningeomba Chief, the former Chief, Senior Chief Gregory, alizawadie hawa watoto.
Tupeane space sasa tumwekeza.
Welcome.
Yeah. Imagine. Today's today.
Coffee, huh? Oh, sorry.
They have been gifted, guys.
Weka chini.
Nah.
Wiki tumpata wewe. Ila mpea keki alafu. Acha nikutolee hii.
I'm telling you guys, these are serious, and I normally meet people here. Hayage. Guys, I'm telling you, hey, all of these are gifts. Isn't
zangu. Sema zangu. Ambie, mwambie.
Haya. Okay. Unachumu mpira bwana. This Manchester United guys. Bana hizi vitu ni ndogo. Yonote meroro kampo kasa hanega. Graduate. Adieu. Guys, it's raining and I'm from Border Town right now. Whoa. I'm just rushing. Hey. It is what it is, guys. You see how even the car been indicating? It's raining. Look Let's go. And for those people who do matatu, they have been struggling, guys. Oh, Land Cruiser. I don't know, guys, but let's go. It's gloomy. Even I can't see in front clearly, you know. Oh my god, oh my god, oh, whoa. It is what it is, guys. Woo. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look, guys, hey, I'm telling you, it's a gloomy day. Serious. I don't know whether you can see in front. Go my road, I'm correctly. Guys, we just back from graduation, and I need, you know, to wear gumboots right now, this moment, because it's raining. If you remember, guys, how we get out like crazy with you guys, so like that, and let me see even my mama, huh? Wow, guys, let me see. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah.
Sister, what are you doing here? Say hello.
Hello.
She was boiling water tonight to enjoy. So guys, this is the kind of station that we have here. But I'm preparing, guys, you know. I just wear the cape because, man, to protect my hair. So I'm planning, you know, to demolish this house and this halfway, and inside will be used as a store. Yeah, maybe from a day, maybe from tomorrow, I'm gonna do some preparation of the Mabati house, you know. Mama and Dad. So, Boombere. So this is my baby here, and also it needs to be washed, but maybe by tomorrow, guys. And that's my number plate. In case you came to my village and you see that number plate passing around this motorbike, just know it's mine. Like me, nothing to be hide. I'm gonna show you the way things it is, man. Hey. So guys, me what I am thinking, the small maybe man that I get, let's push. You know, I can't wait to see 1 million of people working here. The field is just flooded, only people is to work. Just try to imagine. And to an extent, when that, maybe it could be our land, I could build a house up till this place, and then when the road will pass there, I told them, you just divert, you know. But I just, you know, respect people's properties, and that's how everything is. So at least, guys, me I showing you some materials. I'm not faking things. It's the reality. Pure hard working, guys. You know, yeah, pure hard working, guys. Monday. Ekwe. Isuri bona hatuni pamuli. Mama, say hello. Are you happy?
Hello.
This mushroom here. And I want to make my mama to be proud. You just, Mama, pray. Maybe next week I'll demolish a house, start slowly. Yeah? At least, and I remember, Mama, there is money that we keep it 10,000. That's 100 USD. We start from there. Thank you so much, Mom, for your support. Me, I just kept your gift that you are gifted to me. Like, hello, maybe you want to start with that one. And I think I'll start with it. You know. For us, nothing to be hide. But there's some other stuff we don't want to put in private. We don't want to put in public, I mean. But like money. Anyway. Mama with cows. Roko ne rabotar.
Kwanza ni kama kemuri kiranti kidara utaka kige koma hindi.
So that's my African mom, guys. And yeah, I'm so grateful, man. I'm so grateful. You know, this sand here, it's waiting construction. And the good thing about me, guys, I know how construction have been, you know, hectic here and there. So I just put close material. I don't want maybe people taking material from other side, bring here. No, I decide, let me put closer because, you know, to avoid maybe a lot of time go that way, bring, and even also this money here. So I'll make some bricks, you know. That's how I arrange some things here and there, you know. And also I want to bring some contractor of the road building and road construction. Like, hey bro, how many centimeter from my space to the boundary? And I want to build a house, like boom, you know. Kenya is corrupt. If you put money on table, things will be working out. If you doesn't money putting like if you doesn't to put money on table, things will going shagala bagala. And also this one, I need to push them going to other side, but I think it's have a, you know, look, lot of soil. Sometimes people blackmail even some customers here, you know. Yeah. Whew. So far so good. That's how everything is, and we're just working so hard, you know, to achieve our goal. And it's raining. You see the hens, cock and hen right here, maybe creating some story. And the funny thing is, birds, it can make story to another way you can't maybe understand them, you know. And guys, if you're supporting me, this is my baby, you see, I love it, and I can't believe like it's mine, you know, up to now. You find another one, watoto wa Gen Z na mobo tayo hapo, no. And also guys, maybe in future, not now guys, in future guys, these videos, if maybe in the future things will happen the way I want in future, I'll construct a small gazebo here. So if you came as maybe friends, not visitors, also visitors, if you need, we want to sit outside making story and you know, having some cold drink and a small system inside. So, and I'll talk with my grandma. I want to have space to other side building my house, because we didn't have like a huge piece of land. So I'll try, you know, maybe like I'll talk with my grandma in good way, you know, like, you know what, grandma, give me this space and then I give you something small, like some gift, not money guys, you know, buying like him for her, like, you know, meat or chicken to slaughter, and then feeling so happy, and then she can, you know, giving me some space. And also my dad's shares, it's too small, so we need like when I have my own space is to stay here. That's my mama house. And also I will build a visitor's room, my brother's room, and like we staying general, not now guys, maybe in future. Now I want to make better life for my African mom, so she can feel comfortably guys, you know, comfortably. If you remember this history for these logs, we cut the trees, and then as the month goes, we remove the logs. As the month goes also, we remove the soil. And it's raining today. I want to see how my wife goes, you know. Look at that. Hey guys, when I do like this, when like I stand here, I see to other side, man. Hey, yeah, huh? No problem, guys. Only God answer my prayers. And I was dreaming, one day when I get money, I'll build a toilet. You see them, guys. You see them. I feel like I want to shed my tears, because when I remember our struggle back years, and also when my dad passed away, how people treat us, how people treat my mom, you know, like crazy, man. But right now I'm a grown up, and also my brother, they are grown up. We know what we are doing. If people talk shit around my village, we deal with you serious, you know. And there's maybe take action to the law, you know. I can't face you direct, but I'll take you direct to the law, and then I left the law to deal with you. Because if you try to bully my family like you try to bully my mom or my brother and sisters, law of Kenya are on you. But anyway, me, what I need is to stay in peace and love, you know. And I don't want to give, you know, when I'm saying haters, guys, I don't mean you. I mean people who surrounded me here. I don't want to give them time, you know. They talk shit, me, my work is to work and go, you know. And they try to call me some funny name, but they waste their time, guys. In our village here, they are calling me Illuminati, and they can't believe if you put your mind so that you are going to do this, and then you go hard on your dream, you can make it, you know. This world is bigger, you know. You can start today, tomorrow you make it. But other people, they want, you know, today they want to join and make it, you know. They don't know how, like, struggle, you know, how people struggling here and there. And even me, guys, one day I will sit down and give you some my history, short history, how I struggle. And guys, there's no need even to give you some short history. My video is just over there. You see how I was working here and there. I'm not the same person that I was maybe in 2023 and now 2025. You just, imagine, it's by God grace. It's by God grace. Guys, what are you waiting for? Take me to 10K subscriber, I do appreciate. And I will be there, guys, soon. So I just checking our pumpkin, and it's growing day by day. Day by day. Those are our kales there, Look. Super clean environment, I see some stuff try to, to affect this team. You can see some holes here. I don't know, guys, if I'm going to start building, you'll be the part of my journey, Let's start small, because when I'm postponing, when I get mine, I'll build. So let's start with the small that I have. I push it, or I put my my logbook for my motorbike to the bank, and then giving me like 300 to start with it. What do you think? But for me, let's see, guys. God will open door, So anyway, guys, thank you so much, and may God bless you. For those people who coming across, my video could be more shorter, not like, never before. And that's how everything it is. So that's my brother right there. Imagine how Kenya are being corrupt. Even they didn't pay some lecture and teachers. So you see my brother just, around at home. Shida ni gani? What's your problem? You having panga?
Yeah, I need a work.
Which work?
Any work.
Guys, at this moment, no work. Okay, come.
Yeah.
Guys, at this point, no work. Which work? And you having panga?
Yeah, I have a panga.
Eh?
Yeah.
Hey, guys, I want to stay away from him. Which panga?
No,
eh? Eh?
Need a work.
Guys.
Yeah.
This is a tricky situation. Which work? For sure.
I wanted to cut in trees.
Guys, I need the security.
Yeah, yeah, security.
Huh?
Yeah.
Which work, my friend?
I'm a security.
Guys, if you remember, there's that day I give him some work. He worked, and at the end of the day, I paid him money. But sometimes, it's trouble. No nichibara, right?
Hey.
Because, guys, anyway, I'm going to build my mama mabati house, and I'm asking him, did you have some parang?
Yeah,
for sure. Did you have some parang?
Yeah.
You guys are going to people's and steal them?
No.
No nichibara ni chao.
Tutayama. Yeah.
Where?
To my phone.
Guys, for sure this one I had to say no, because I just wake up and I found him sitting on the house with the panga.
Yeah.
Eh? Wow. Are you a killer?
No, I'm not.
Because I'm scared about you.
No, not a killer.
Utazana na mjengo.
Sawa.
Eh?
Sawa.
Utazana kazi ya mjengo.
Sawa.
Guys, I'm telling him, did you, be more comfortable on construction?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Serious?
Serious one. I need one.
So maybe, guys, I'm trying to organize myself. I want to prepare myself to have some nails, iron sheet, and I'm going to build a small mabati house, because not forever house that I'm going to build. At least a place where my mama, she could be able to hide inside or to stay inside, and the rest of the house for my mom I'm going to demolish. So at least I want to prepare myself as much as possible. So anyway, pona yogamba
Orante.
yeah. Hey. Okay, let's go this way, Nyamakop. Hey. Guys, it's good to create job opportunity in our village here. Sometime even for him, he came and looked for the job, but for me, I don't have any job at this point. You know, I'm just, you know, like put myself in a good way. When I'm going to start building, like for him, I don't want him to complain, oh, you didn't pay me, this and that. No. Put on your cue, yes. Hey. That always looking at junior in Kamsin, junior ding grobo. Oh, Hewaga Kikuhan. Hey, the time in the time, don't need to go. So, guys, hey, you know, I just walking each other name, way. Hey, don't I got you behind. Nemanierini Guragan. Oh, that's okay, Chambene. Yeah, so if you came with your parent, all your post, and I didn't have money, how should I take me? Like, oh, I give you my stuff, you didn't pay me money, you know. When I get money, I'll let you know. Yeah. So when I have money, I will let him know because I need some little bit post for the like for the structure of the Mabati house. And we see the Mabati house that I'm going to build. So unique in my village. Huh? Faza. With machete. Anyway, that's my great grandma home. And we still remembered my great grandma history. You know. Yeah. As long as I'm alive and you know, I'm ready to go. I'm born to suffer. At this point, I'm born to suffer. At least my family could able to eat. And I remember the musician Bob Marley. May so rest in peace. I born to suffer, you know. Born to suffer. Things like that. And I love listening reggae music. Sometimes I do listen and I still reggae
Bob Marley sawa.
Bob
Marley sawa.
Sometimes, guys, for sure I do listen sometimes, guys, I do listen Bob Marley, and then let me say generally all Jamaican musician, you know, the legend one, and also upcoming. But I think the legend one was number one, because when you listen the music, it really motivates. And maybe if you are on a bad situation, you came in a good situation. If you are maybe in a bad company, it's direct you to be in a good company. So sometimes I spend all my day, all the year, listening music, and I'm trying to see whether I can find the SD card to put some videos for the Jamaican, you know, and then watch it later, one-on-one. Koshi, boy, one-on-one. Korani wiko roba Mikael. Guys, that's the maize corn right here. Wait, I don't know how to hang. Wait on a hand on her hang. I got also a man. Here. Hi. How not hurry? Guys, I'm asking one of my neighbor because his home is right here. Between my home and next to my neighbor, which is closer. You choose. Kramandu kurtara man. I got also. Was I don't know how? Now not hang is sour.
Nanti kumante na hangi.
Ukuran
Arambenta kengere komogondo ha.
Gangi. Si unapita tu. Ego soro suinu sora manchi. Bantu basomba manchi gumara.
Na maru kinyama sana.
Prove them wrong. Tora wa igucha. Uchucho ta heba na manchi na maru. Pero mata mga jumena rai.
Abo hena ta ko heti.
Ta ku ye hayo.
Prero hara ko kere.
Kama ano na hange sawa.
Hene kara ta ko heta. Amben kira sikwa.
Ne kiripu ka manchi. Na tebi na bantu papata hapa hili. Kana to range ngara bini bikono.
Hato pata he mona pata hakata rusi.
Onake hano mubaso ko bara basomba. Kana ngo asa bro moi ko matanga. Kakahomi nyumba. Ngo ko kahomi nyumba matanga. Haya betongo za zora nyama ko mona.
Muna tembea na kush kush.
Wata soki ujadi buigwe.
Sawa hiyo.
Ngazara babutago kani.
Abano kako.
Okay guys, I told one of my neighbor to go and fetch water at my home because it's a long distance from his home to another home. It's a long distance, and he also closely my neighbor. It's only I think around 50 meters apart, so he never knew like my borehole we get water. So I told him, if you decide, it's your own opinion. You just go and fetch water anytime that you want. But at night, we close our borehole, you know, for this more security and other purposes, you know, because you never knew what's going to happen. Oh, okay. So we are heading this way. And we'll see how our village looks like. And try to imagine, he was fetching water on this home, and their home is over there at my home. And sometime when maybe he tried to call me like, hello baby, I say, yes, I'm at home, man. What's up? Okay, Namakum. Tuonane baadaye.
Sawa.
Let's see you later.
Yeah.
Have
a good day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also you.
Yeah.
You go.
Thank you.
Okay. Good morning guys, Hello Baby here. Welcome on today's videos. A very special, and right now it's early morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking my video. So guys, today I'm back with another banger video. So right now it's a bright morning from East Africa, Kenya. So today my intro starts from here. It's around 9:33 a.m. So that's my local time in Africa here. And what I realized, we have some different duration of time. So maybe when it's morning here in the US, it's night. In UK, it's night. Maybe in Jamaica, we share a little bit time, but I don't think so. Maybe it's mid-morning. So anyway, guys, in case you're new here, coming across to my channel, please subscribe, comment, share, like. The best way you can support your boy, Hello Baby Official. So right now, I'm just walking this way as I see some sand in the river because, man, it's time to build. And now I'm going this way and then that way, going to my friend's land over there. So it's a distance from here, but I'll go this way. If maybe could be a road here, I could go straight. But right now, I use, long term, So far so good, let's go. And this place, it's reminding me there's a day I was collecting some sand from this side here. For those people who watching my videos every day, if you know, guys. So it's time to go. Yeah. Peacefully village. The only sound that I heard from a distance is the sound from the birds. If you compare life from the village and city life. It's two different things, because when you are in the city, the only thing you had maybe hooting of the vehicles, louder music, noise from industrial area, you know, and also air pollution. But in our village here, man, sounds from the birds and also from animals like cows, moo, goat, meh, you know, and also some dogs, you know. Yeah. So let's check here. And I'm telling you, this time, like, to find sand, it's very difficult, you know. In fact, no gumboots, you know. When I just wake up, may just wake up random, you know, the way it is. So this is some sand here, and this water is running going to River YouTube, and here it's very deep, very deep. You can't try, guys. You have the local bridge on this side. If I see some truck for the sand, yeah. Hey, these are serious. I don't know where this truck which bring my sand, I don't know, but it is what it is. You know, this is a local bridge here that we have, you know. I'm trying, you know. Whoa, imagine. It's going to look for the sand, and when it's raining time here, we found a lot of sand, but at this moment no sand. And I'm telling you, the good time for purchasing or to buy sand, it's during heavy rain. That one we can get sand everywhere, but right now it's to collect only sand from the road, you know, like this one, and you buy at a higher price. Look, this game over. Even when they try to play for me some 2 track for the game over, and I bought from this side during dry season, but I learned some lesson, guys, you know. Let's push and go. Okay, guys. There's some locust trees here. In our vernacular language, it's known as intontera. You know, it's used for trapping some birds, you know. Yeah. Whew. For my premiere again, these videos, it depends how long it will take. But sometimes I do shoot videos 40 minutes, 50 minutes, and when I go higher, maybe I will try 1 hour. You know, sometimes it's very difficult, you know, and you need to be more creative to create 1 hour. Sometimes I feel headache because I'm putting videos day by day, and sometimes I feel so tired, you know, and also I feel headache like yesterday, and I relax a little bit. No pressure on this. See some truck here collecting sand, and imagine I'm going over there. So you try to imagine how long will it take. When I'm around at this village, I want to visit my friend's land and check how things go. And also there's somebody staying there, at least take care of the land. And sometimes, you know, when you have the house, it needs somebody to stay in. This bridge number 2. Tembe. Tangan mbili kan itu. Tembe. Tangan mbili kan. Tangiri kan. Ipe mia hapo. Some sand.
Ina pesa rafiki.
Mia uguru. Mama sasa ora monguri mungumba yangu tayande nguri ingi. Koyo. Torna ata huihar. Wiki nogo.
Ora nogo mzee hondo ora wabo.
Mobovu. Bakasa siko hoko.
Kwa ni bintu bibe.
Itegera gali mbili Jones.
Tatemeri buroko.
Kori buroko na naguru na machine ka digari tatu hinku hirenda tebe buroko. Ora abrancho korogera
ta korogera mbeza sa
Hans
kogoto.
Garaba matagito.
Buato mama hanze.
Garaba matagito. Mchanga mimi ninayo kutosha. Cho jaze. Kama dere mwenyewe hajasema.
Amesema ruke hapo. Unafikiria atasema? Hakuna siku hapo. Alekera nyuma yao. Nyuma.
Sasa ni shilingi ngapi mchanga dere?
Hano na mbele.
Mama mtu no angulini kama kono. Kama kono. Wana kono no sense.
Yego kono no sense.
Kono.
Wankuya Hans.
Ya Mungu wetu. See guys, they have been harvested sand. Whoa!
Mwito wewe kulinga kuli.
I'm telling you.
Tayambe uina nile kole no sokuru ni mara
There's a truck.
Wita. Okay, ancora. Sta solo quel dettaglio ma andavo su. Non mi guardi.
Anyway guys, let's go. You know, and I told you right now they have been collecting sand alongside the road like this one here. You know, me, when maybe the sand is not enough, I'll pause construction and then I'll wait until when it's raining season, I'll buy sand because I learned some lesson. There's a time I was rushing, going for the vacation in Mombasa, and then I go to Diani. So I give the guy for the truck like this one. This is the guy who I know. Like, hey bro, you bring some 2 truck, and the money I will hand out to my mama. If you bring 2 truck, you'll get paid. My friend, let me tell you guys, when I came from Mombasa, the sand that I found, I didn't expect. And the good thing about me, I normally go to the river, look for the sand. I asked the guy who was delivering the sand to my engineer, and I told him, "It's just okay?" He told me yes. And I told him, when my engineer said no, you come one day and then we pick it. You know. So anyway, let's go. Now, this maize corn here. If you remember, this year this place could be forest and bush, but they have been cutting down trees and planting maize, and people survive like that way, you know. Wow. Let's go, guys. And maize corn is the staple food that we have here in our village. The only thing that matters is hard working. How people put hard working to their commodities like maize, you know. So if you didn't put hard working, maize like this, it can't grow. You need to put more fertilizer. I see Ephraim house over there, you know. And actually, I'm passing at Mayugno's place, and then I head to my friend's land. I need to see how things go, you know. And I'm thinking when I get free time, I'll go to the timber yard. I buy one timber and also some nails, and I look for the carpentry, came with him and fix some door for the toilet, you know. So maybe by tomorrow it's on let me see, tomorrow it's on when? Today on Tuesday, Wednesday or Thursday to Friday, I'll do that. So that's my Mayugno's place, you know. Yeah, you just masters. When I'm passing here, you see the maize the way it is. Sometime one of these days when I pass here, you see maize have been germinate, you know, and it's a harvest season. Things like that. Let's go. Some time to walk is the way of making an exercise, you know. So even me, when I'm walking like this, I feel my body, you know, feel good, rather than step like 12 hours anytime I'm on motorbike, you know. Wow. And also the way of making an exercise is to have a bicycle, and you ride from section A to B, you know. Even me, I was having my bicycle, but it gets problem, and I try to keep it, you know. So back years before I joined YouTube, I was working as a handman in people's construction, and I bought a nice mountain bike, more expensive, because I need, you know, when I get job somewhere else, I run, you know. So I'm heading down. Heading down, and now I'm passing at the Rivers place, heading down. We are neighbor, you know, we are neighbor. See guys, right here, construction is everywhere. No, it's good. No guys, when you have good roads, you pass easily. Anyway, in case you're new here, welcome on today's vlog, and also welcome on this newly land here, the motherland. We call motherland. No. Welcome to motherland. The reason why I just came here, guys, is to check some one of the door. I need to fix it, not today, by maybe tomorrow or a day after tomorrow, you know. Let's see. Also guys, if you need to have a land, it's just over here. If you want to be my neighbor, just over here. So guys, because there's somebody who's staying on this house, and I need to fix the toilet, this door. As you can see guys, you know, things are not totally messed, because he needs to excuse herself inside here, or themselves on this toilet here. And this is Islamic sink, as you can see. So you can't have maybe had some smell from the toilet. So it's Islamic. When you put your poo inside, it's go and then the lid closed. So by that time there's nobody who's staying here, so there's no need like to fix door. And right now, you see guys, you see, so I need to came with one of the mason. I fixed it, you see, this one. So I just came here to ask the owner, like the girl who's staying here, whether she was comfortably or not. But what I realized, I need to fix it, you know. And then yeah, at least to be in a good condition, you know, bathroom, yeah. Oh my god. So she was not around. What I could do is to go back home, you know. And I'm telling you guys, if you want to be closely to my friend's land, there's another here, you know. And also if you want to be around at the villa, you know, there's a land right here when I'm pointing here. You buy with everything, house, toilet and borehole. Anyway guys, let's see you on the next vlog at home guys.